What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you how to turn off the Bigo live chat with friends. It is pretty simple thing to do, and in this video I will show you exactly how to do it. So before getting started to the video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button and like the video as well. And I have provided the affiliate link of the Bigo live chat in the description of the video, so don't forget to check it out as well. So let's dive right into the video. So what you have to do is to turn off the video chat with the friends on the Bigo live. For that, open up settings. Go to the Bigo Live application, tap on your profile, and then select Setting. In the Privacy settings, find and tap Privacy. Then disable video chat. Toggle off options related to video calls or chat requests. This should prevent friends from starting video chats with you on Bigo Live. So that's how you can do it. I hope you find this video helpful.